delete Snapchat account permanently, 72 hours problem. If you are looking to delete your Snapchat account permanently and you are facing the issues with the 72 hours reactivation period, so here's a step-by-step guide to help you through this process. So first of all, you have to open up the Snapchat on your mobile device and you have to enter your credential or username. You have to enter your credential to log into your account, and you can tap on the profile icon which is on the top left corner of the screen, and you can go to your profile. On here, you have to tap on the gear icon which is on the top right corner to access your account setting. So here on the account setting or the setting menu, you have to scroll down and select the account section or account information depending on your version of the app. So you have to scroll down, and also you can see the delete account here. You have to tap on the delete account or delete my account on your Snapchat. After here, you will be directed to a web browser within the app to confirm your decision, and you may need to log in again to confirm. So